Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have a VEVOR tire inflator. So let's open up, see everything we get inside, and then we'll bring it outside and give it a test. This is my garage side studio. However, I got a lot of stuff set up in here right now. Can't get a vehicle in, but we can demonstrate it outside just as easy. So that is the size of the box overall. It is a little, I'm not gonna say it's heavy, but it's a little heavier than I thought it would be. So let's get the noisy plastic out of the way. Okay, so it does have its own case, which makes this fantastic to use and work with. Quite frankly, anything that has a case is just fantastic. So that is your set of instructions. That is your tire, basically chalk gauge. It's digital, very, very cool, very awesome. So that is your, let's pull this out. So that is the hook up to your battery directly. So pretty neat. And this was the actual air line. I'm sorry, I called it power cord before. So let's open this up. So that is your super nice, super long air hose on this. And basically it'll connect into here, kind of quick connect. Then this is your air chalk. And it comes with a bunch of different tips. So quick, easy. Put this on as a regular tire inflator. Very neat. And then this would go on this end. Nice and easy to connect back and forth. And then this has an open and close on it. And then, like I said, it has a digital tire. So let's go outside, test it out, and we go from there. Stay tuned. Okay, so we're outside. There is the tire filler, tire pump. So you basically want to connect this red to red, and then black to the black side. So that's basically negative is black, positive is red. So you have your power switch on the side that you want to turn on. So that's on. Okay, so I like how it has this little open and close spot on here. So you can basically kind of like regulate your air pressure. So you want to take your tire stem off, hook this up, and then you can tell it's already filling up. Then you can see what the tire pressure is. Close it. And then you can also use the button. You get a quick pressure on that. So we're gonna fill them up to about 39.9, 40 pounds. But that gives you an idea of how fast that filled that tire up. And obviously on the Hummer, you have some big tires. So really easy to regulate how much air is going in there. Make a nice seal on that. So we're just about there. About 39 pounds, a little bit more. Let it come down a little bit. All right, so that tire's filled up. Anyway, let me fill the rest of these tires up. But Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching and be safe out there.